Allahu Akbar!
Sheesh, yeah. Nigga, no, they get the memo. They get the what? Say the right, they know the memo. Stack it, nigga, stop playing.
What's up, guys? Breaking is here today with a new video. And yeah, you saw the clip. I got banned. Whatever, dude, I take it. This clip was made in my 24 hours live stream, actually. What people didn't understand, which wasn't there in my stream at this time, I ran it down for a reason. I ran it down because one guy was trolling me for 3 games in a row because he didn't get his main role, so he entered the games, so I decided to do the same thing to him as soon as he got his main role. It's just fair this way. I completely agree with Riot for banning me this way, and the only thing I don't agree with is because he didn't get banned after doing it 2 times in a row. Just because I ran it down and got like 0 and 8 or 0 and 9 and had troll items, the Riot system basically banned me from the auto filter system. But this guy didn't get banned for running it down twice, with having almost the same stats and talking shit as well in chat. So whatever it takes, I'm fine with it. I agree. I don't care. Okay, like this is probably my 37th ban in my career of League of Legends. I don't even give a fuck anymore because Riot's ban system is so stupid and it doesn't make sense at all. This is like a huge part for me why I don't even enjoy this game most of the time, because people are soft inting, soft trolling, they're kind of passive trash talking you the whole game, and all you can do is sending a report and it won't happen anything until they type KYS or anything like that. So the auto filter system gets in the game and automatically bans them. The same goes for inting people. People are not gonna get banned for inting as long as they don't troll build and don't go massively into devs. So this system is kinda broken, kinda stupid for me, but it doesn't matter at this point. This video is all about this gameplay and all about my live stream, because I wanted to tell you guys at the moment I'm doing a challenge on Russia. Since I got banned the last time, people decided in my stream it would be fun to make an account where I only play on when I stream. And we're gonna do an unranked to challenger in Russia series, and I have to be challenger within 50 or 60 games. That means we are actually right now plat 1 with 20 wins, so I have 40 more wins time to get into challenger, which is makeable. At the moment we have a 85% win rate to 90%, always struggles, and we're just gonna see if I make it. Also, I'm doing a subscriber coaching every time I stream. That means subscribers on Twitch will get coaching from me, and I'm gonna analyze their gameplays and tell you basically what you can improve on, tell you which champions you could basically play with your playstyle and stuff like this. Basically just helping out and giving something back to the community, which kind of supports me by subbing or doing anything else. But I would really appreciate it if you guys would check out my stream and just stick there for a while, chat with me, have some fun, and just watch how I stomp these Russian people. And yeah, that's all about my live stream. Also gonna upload stream highlights and some gameplays on YouTube as well. So if you're fresh and new to my YouTube channel, also leave a subscription and feel free to check out my Twitch. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna link the description. Yeah, alright, dude. I'm gonna link my Twitch channel in the description. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the gameplay. Just a basic KhaZix stomping gameplay, nothing special. And I'm gonna see you in the stream, guys. Enjoy the gameplay and have a good day. Peace.
Maybe someday it's me and you, but right now I can't seem to feel it too. Lately all I know is you're running through my mind. I know it hurts, it's just not our time.
I'm used to it all, used to finding someone then go losing it all. Tell them that I'm fine, don't you worry at all. Pick up my phone at 1 a.m. and now I'm sending a call. Caring less and less around me, all my time has been around you. Let you in, you told me not to, held your hand, I said I got you. Ocean in your eyes, I've been lost at sea. Drowning in my thoughts, it was you and me. And I can't seem to find a single silver lining. Tell you that I'm fine, I'm lying. A heart will never wait for time. And don't you get it, there's a reason I met you. You don't think that I get you? Ask me why I'm trying, cause I think that you're special, embedded in my mind. Only you, nobody else. So many times you said there's somebody else, but you still picked up my calls, you still replied to my texts. I went and made you a song, you said it made you a mess. Cause the cracks in your heart, it looked just like mine. You and I were broken around the same time. Beautiful smile with all the pain in your eyes. You have a love so deep, you trust the wrong guys. And I understand it more than anyone. You're not looking for a connection with just anyone. What if I told you that I'm the better one? Spilling on my heart and I'ma let it run. My mind is saying leave you, but my heart says no. You made your choice, but I can't seem to let go. Thinking of your voice in a world so cold. I'm breaking down now, but I won't let it show. And even if I'm crazy, doesn't mean that I'm wrong. Wonder what you're thinking as you listen to this song. I've been lost in my mind, but I'ma tell you I'm fine. But what's the point of the one if you find him at the wrong time? Like,
maybe someday it's me and you, but right now I can't seem to feel it too. Lately all I know is you're running through my mind. I know it hurts, it's just not our time. Baby, don't you tell me that you don't see it too. You say you love me, so then tell me what can I do? You're on my mind, I know it hurts, it's just not our time.
I can tell you've been crying, let me shoulder your pain. You're looking at me funny, do you know what you're saying? Ivan, this isn't a game, I can't be feeling the same. I told you not to fight for anything, there's nothing to gain. And now things are harder cause I'm feeling it too. There was a wall for a reason, why'd you go and break through? Then you make me a song and it's been all in my mind. I know you're lying every time when you tell me you're fine. I met this guy before I met you. Put my trust in him before I met you. I got attached to him before I met you. Now you're on my mind ever since I met you. But what can I do? Cause I don't think that you're getting it. A few months earlier with you, and maybe this will be different. Maybe you do really get me, and that's the thing that upsets me. I'm with him, I'm in your mind, so it's best you forget me. Maybe you're right, I don't think I'll ever get it. Love is making me blind. Picking up the phone, then I'm putting it down. Like who am I to go and ruin the happiness that you found? Like I go and tell my friends that it was all so dumb. Then I'm writing in my room until my heart goes numb, till my pen's all done. You know my heart wants more, let's break it in pieces all again once more. You can tell me that I'm wasting all my time, but I've been looking for a sign and I've been finding it in you. And you can tell me he was there first, you can say you fell for him first. He'll never look at you the way I look at you. You left a hole in my chest that I don't think I can fill. It's like we met in a dream, but the feeling is real. And I could write 1,000 lines, all the stars could align. What's all the love in the world if you find it at the wrong time?
And maybe someday it's me and you, but right now I can't seem to feel it too. You're on my mind, I know it hurts, it's just not our time.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Nanish. Nigga. Yeah, let's do it.
Are you insane like me? Been in pain like me? Bought $100 bottle of champagne like me? Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me? Would you use your water bill to dry the stain like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Will you tear yourself apart to entertain like me?
Yeah,
People whisper about you on the train like me. I just shouldn't waste your pretty face like me.
I've been living with the demons that I got on my soul. I've been thinking about the pain that I got on my mind. My conscience on his edge from the things that I did. I've been praying for forgiveness in the way that I live. You can find me in the zone, I swear to God I is. Ain't nobody breathing currently the words like this. I'm a different type of nigga, never worry about the funds. I was focused on progression, but you gotta get it done. Instead of trying to bring it in, but then again, nobody wants a nigga. Pressure was mine and I had to find a way around it. I ran a couple of miles, couldn't find myself. Don't get fucked up, cause it always helps. I'ma drown in my sorrows all by myself. On a quiet night, if I'm staring at the wall with the sound of thought, I feel like I've been never flow my nigga. Tell me what you really know, my nigga. I'm a saying like a motherfucker, trying to find a way to a ticket. They take plenty of time to author ridiculous text. I've been giving you real, even though I'm riddled with stress. So 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, 4. I cry for help, but nobody responded. My emotions gone, yeah, they all have been loaned. My self-esteem left in my confidence squandered. Got all of this pain that I did with alone.
Pain like me,
Loud.
pain like me.
Knowledge.
$100 bottle of champagne like
killing myself for a dream, I don't even believe it. It's really entertaining when you give it your all. I put my soul up on the table, all they do is analyze it. I been secrets in the rhymes that I ain't never told nobody. When I started rapping, suicidal thoughts are running rampant through my mind. I made amends, I found a way. I guess I could really make it vivid so they see the clearer picture of depression, panicking. I can't take this shit, my God. Tell me why you put me here for, I'm gone. And I don't wanna live no more, hold on. The pain is temporary, I hope I know that I was not created just to waste it, that's the truth. So why the fuck do I regret? Can't explain it, it's a feeling deep inside of me. I got no witnesses left, I know I'm lost on the path I chose. I never like up on the records, I will not be exposed. I'm only giving reality, I'm a lyrical legend. My complimentary honesty is a rarity, yes. You feed the fallacy to them, but I'm not really impressed, cause I can read between the lines and the secret lies. Are you insane like me, been the pain like me? Do you take yourself apart with a taint like me? Wanna change like me, but you can't like me. Terrified that your misery gon' remain like me. Loud,
Like me,
knowledge,
in pain
nigga.
like me.